Look at this dark seaweed. It's like the bush of the ocean.
What if I just picked you up and threw you in there?
That would be so gross. I bet there's crabs in there, don't you think?
Oh yeah.
That's where I would live if I was a crab. In the bush. Ew!
What?
Oh, those little skinny fish. There's tons of them. It's a little sketch here.
Huh?
Said it's a little sketch here.
I want to go down that slide.
I know. Skyla would love that. I want to sit on that hammock and just watch people walk by.
Taking her to swimming lessons.
I know. We just got back from... Can you open the blinds so there's more light in here?
Mm-hmm.
We just got back from walking the beach and it is so hot that like the instant that you go out there, you're just sweating. And my face is probably burned, even though I put 110 SPF on. Honey, you should get my SPF for your face. There's like a face one in there. And then I got 2 different kinds for the body, for the bod. I'm going to pop some Andre Rosé champagne, or sparkling wine, Rosé sparkling wine. I also got a rosé champagne, which is, or a brut rosé, whatever, I don't know. I'm new to the champagne game. And they only had 2 different sparkling rosés, so.
Where is it at?
I got 2 different kinds. So I bought 2 different sunscreens. I bought the Hawaiian Tropic Silk Hydration Spray and then the Sun Bum Spray. And I gave Nick the option between the 2. Which one do you think he picked? I said, he goes, what's the difference? I said, the brands. And he goes, and I said, well, this one has Silk Hydration. He selected the Silk Hydration, which I was not expecting. I was totally expecting Nick to go for the Sun Bum one because it's a more manly bottle. Okay, so let's pop this bottle.
Ooh, I can feel that hydration. Can you get my back?
Yes, honey, after I'm done doing this.
You gotta get the thighs real good.
You know what I just realized? We don't have corks. Can you cut this so it will fit?
Can you get my back?
It smells so strong. We should be doing this outside probably, honey. Because we're getting sunscreen everywhere. That should be good. We're heading out to the pool, and yeah, we're gonna spend the full day at the pool until we'll probably come back here around 2:30, or I will, to get ready for the wedding, because the wedding is tonight at 4, and we can just walk right down the beach, because it's at this place called the Beach Club, and it's like maybe a 3-minute walk from our hotel. So all we have to do is go out front and like out front hotel, turn right, and we'll be there at the wedding. So we're gonna spend the rest of the day soaking up the sun. Cheers. I have a celebrity spotting. I've spotted Nick Williams at the beach with his mistress, the fish.
Good one.
Here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Cheers.
It's in the ocean. Floating.
This is a very tall cup of champagne, but I don't really want to walk all the way back. Smile for a thumbnail, Nick.
Careful with that camera.
They're
Look at
not.
the yellow submarine. Did you know that?
That's the thing I was telling you. Yes, that's the thing where you get into those suits with a bubble head.
Like going is underwater?
Yes.
The whole boat goes underwater?
I don't know, honey. I don't think so. But that's the boat that they do the bubble suits on.
Is that scuba?
Where do you see yourself in 3 years?
Living in that condo right there.
These fish keep touching me.
Mailing you some alimony checks.
Okay, where do you...
And captaining that yellow
Submarine. Where do you, with parasailing, where do you see yourself?
4-inch seam length shorts on.
Some chubbies?
A bronze. Yeah, but I'm gradually getting shorter and shorter. I started at 7 inches.
Those are the introductory length.
Yeah. I'm still in the introductory level. But 3 years from now, I'll be in
4-inch seams.
4-inch. Yeah.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Realistically this time.
Living on that yacht. Just living on it. I'm doing the splits.
Stop it.
I'm a little worried that a fish is gonna swim up and nibble on my nutsack.
Stop. Oh my God, stop.
The mullet in my pants.
Do you remember when we were in Aruba and my mom and Jace were staying at the Ritz and they had those floaties out in the water and we just like sat out there for hours drinking those Ritz drinks?
Yeah.
That was so fun. Drinking
those Ritz drinks. That's how you gotta do it.
Wow.
You go to Aruba, you stay in the windmill, and then you make friends at the Ritz-Carlton, and then you just hang out at the Ritz and tell people that you're staying there when you don't.
We didn't have the wristbands, but if your friends are staying there, they let you stay. Okay guys, we're on the way to Sarah's wedding. Oh my gosh, I feel like I can't tell if it's blurry or not. We're on the way to Sarah's wedding. It's at the beach club. And I'm wearing this same dress that I wore in Vegas. And I'm bringing my heels because the reception is gonna be like inside. But we have to walk on the beach to get there. So I'm not gonna wear my heels on the beach, obviously. So we'll see you at the wedding. Nick was like, so we're here major early. Look how stunning this is. Sarah killed it. I mean, that is the most beautiful freaking ceremony that I've ever seen. Look at it. Sarah and Cameron. Oh my God, it's so pretty. It's beautiful. Look, is that like a white sand square in the center right there? Do you see how it's like whiter in the center?
It's like a sheet.
No, it's not, honey. Look, it's sand. Oh, you're right. It's like a satin thing. The wedding last night was amazing, like amazing. And we came home right afterwards and crashed because we were exhausted. And today is our last day here on the island. And I'm gonna close out the vlog right now, and you guys will see our final day and then when I upload my next video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. Make sure your bell notification is on if you guys want to see whenever the next video goes up, to see the rest of our little getaway. But thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.